hotel I'm about to video is just before you go over the bridge to 101. The People's Miles here, look, statue is pretty easy to find. Let's go and see if I get rejected here as well. Now, this used to be where the Eurotel was, so we'll see what the response is from these. There might even be a manager on the premises. Success! Villa Rosita Hotel. It used to be the Euro Hotel, like I've just said. The staff are wonderful. The manager is a great guy. It looks like the owner is here, so I may be able to be shown around one of the rooms. We don't need to look around every room, just to show you what you're getting for your buck. Now, with this hotel, there's lots of different prices for the rooms. So the standard price is 1,200 pesos. You get breakfast in with that, goes without saying. Every room has breakfast. Standard double is 1,500, superior is 1,800, standard twin is 1,950, deluxe is 2,500, deluxe trio is 3,250, family room is 3,950, and the executive suite is 4,000. Complimentary breakfast, air-conditioned room, free Wi-Fi, hot and cold shower, 24-hour room service, free parking area. How amazing is that, guys? Now, the thing I noticed straight away when I walked into reception is it's similar to the Eurotel. They haven't really changed it. It's exactly the same as before, but apparently the renovations will include this part at some point, but it doesn't need renovating. I mean, it's beautiful, really, really beautiful, and I kid you not. Now, as I said I think I'll know when I'm editing, when it was the Eurotel, I just walked in. They took me up the lift, showed me one of the rooms, told me some prices, but obviously I've got the prices. And it was lovely. At the time there was quite a few foreigners staying at the hotel. Now I've just asked, is there any foreigners here at the minute, and there is. So, you know, if you want a lovely hotel, then A Brit in the Philippines recommends here. The Villa Rosita. So the lift is over here, I believe. Yeah, it's there. And this is reception. And the beautiful ladies have disappeared. So there you go. There's one of the beautiful ladies. She's not shy. What's your name?
Good afternoon. I'm Jordan.
She's lovely. There's another lovely lady who's been very, very professional. And
welcome to Villa Rosita.
Yeah, and assisted me. Come on, stop hiding.
Hi.
What's your name?
Good afternoon. I'm Jolene.
Jolene.
Yeah.
Yeah, another beautiful lady. They've both been really, really good.
Hello. Welcome to Villa
And
Rosita.
these are the gorgeous ladies you'll have at reception when you come to book your room. So again, I highly recommend you come to
Villa Rosita Hotel.
So there you go, guys. I'm just waiting to have a look at one of the rooms. Now, of course, with all the different prices, I think it would be great if I could have a look at two rooms, like the cheapest and the most expensive, I guess. But we'll see, because I don't want to outstay my welcome. They've been very good here. I really appreciate the assistance. So I'm sitting here relaxing. I can just imagine a glass of wine or a coffee, Some nice music in the background. It's a really nice hotel. I wouldn't hesitate on staying here. Definitely not. Still got the Valentine's heart up, look. It's just very nice. Very relaxing. So this is the second floor, guys. There's 27 rooms. This room, what price is this room?
This is a standard twin.
This is the standard room. As you can see, it's lovely. It's got aircon. I've just read off to you what you get. The aircon, free Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff. Hot and cold shower. It's lovely. Really nice, clean room. What's in here?
So it's connecting rooms.
Oh, it's just connecting the next room.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Right, guys. I thought I'd ask the girls if we could have a look at the family room. 2,500. Look at this. It's really nice. Really nice. Look at that. Again, hot and cold shower, Wi-Fi, complimentary breakfast, TV, aircon. What more could you want? And it's right practically in the center. Well, it is in the center of Naga, really. We've got the bridge there that takes you over to 101. You turn right and that takes you into the center of Naga Plaza, etc. Everything you want is on your doorstep. This is a really good hotel to be at. I'm very impressed, guys. I'm seeing a lot more rooms than I asked to see. Oh, this is a family room. Look how big this is. And again, lovely. All the same kind of decor. TV, somewhere to put your clothes. Bathrooms, lovely and clean, beautiful. Yeah, there's the bridge, look. Takes you over to 101. Lovely. Right, guys, that's me done. I mean, they've been great. They've been absolutely great. That's the kind of welcome I would expect, actually, from local business, is to, you know, help the best they can, you know, if they're not busy, of course. The staff are wonderful. Just met another supervisor walking around there. She's lovely. I can't recommend this hotel enough. You've got all the prices at the beginning of the video, so you know what to expect. It's just a nice hotel, and you can't get it any more well situated than what it is here. I mean that. So Villa Rosita, if you want a lovely hotel. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. I've enjoyed doing it. I've shown you the frustrations of trying to get into these local businesses. If you're a local business and you'd like some free advertising on my channel, just get in touch with me and I'd be happy to oblige. So thanks to the hotel management, Sir Robert, and the owner and the staff. Hi guys, thank you so much for letting me have a look around your hotel, and we'll see if we can get you some guests. So till the next one, guys, please hit that like button, please subscribe, share our videos. Bye bye.
Hi Chris,
I've got to talk to this other blogger. Look,
please subscribe. A Brit in the Philippines with Chris Ren. Yeah.
Please subscribe to A Brit in the Philippines. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a